What's up guys, hope you all are doing absolutely great, and in today's video we'll learn how we can reduce video file size on our Mac, and it's completely free. So let's go watch it. Alright everyone, now you can see we are at our computer screen. So here you can see we have one video, and this video is 338 MB and it is tomorrow's video. As you can see, it's tomorrow's video. So we're going to make it small. Let's see what is the file size. As you can see, it is 338 MB. So let's see how much smaller we can make it. In order to reduce the file size of this video, we need to download one application that is called Handbrake, and the link is in the description. Go and check it out. And here you can see the macOS versions, and it is actually available for macOS, Windows, Linux. So let's go and download it for macOS. But the thing is, I have already downloaded and as you can see, it's downloading again, so I'm just gonna cancel it out. So let's open it, go to the Finder, open the Handbrake, install as usual we do on our Mac. Now let's go and drop it into our application folder. And as you can see, it's copying. 5 seconds left. Done. Let's go to the launchpad and open Handbrake. Okay, now we are ready to go. Let's go to the desktop. Here is the video. As you can see, let's open this video, and here is the video loaded on Handbrake. So let's see how we can convert it and make it smaller. Here you can see the video resolution, it's 1080p 30 frames per second, but we can exactly do whatever frames we want. But for now, for this video, we are going to make it fast and 1080p 30. This will give us the best possible quality with the smallest file size. So let's go and just hit start. Now it is just exporting, and 1 second left. Now I think we are ready to go. Okay, finish. Okay, now we are ready to go. Let's go to the Finder, and here is the file. Let's drag it into our desktop. Alright, so let's see the original file size, and here is the after exported file size. Can you see the difference? It's 338 MB, and after export it is only 49 MB. So that is crazy. Without losing any kind of quality, you are getting very less weight. So it is really interesting, especially for those people who doesn't have super fast Wi-Fi. Maybe. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you guys really did, be sure to subscribe, be sure to press the bell icon, and if you have something on your mind, be sure to comment down. If you want some more tips and tricks like this on our channel, then be sure to let me know which kind of videos should I make. Goodbye, until next time.